Today is May 14th, 2020. I ordered some things from the US Mint and they came today, so let's open it up and see what's inside. So this is cool. West Point Special Edition Jefferson Proof Nickel. Open it up, take a look. And there it is. Beautiful. Comes from the West Point Mint, and I guess the West Point Mint was shut down for a little while because of the COVID scare or whatever. Very nice. And we've got the 2020 United States Proof Mint set. Open that thing up. Forget to create this video. I really don't care. Wow, very nice. If it were right side up. Proof coins, 2020, the year of the bat. Chinese like eating those things. Ew. That's the first set. Here's the second set. Beautiful. Love the designs. This is like artwork. Certificate of authenticity. And the last thing I ordered is American Eagle 1 Proof silver coin. Comes with a little brochure thingy here. And we got a velvet box. Ooh, velvet box, how nice. Open it up and there it is. 2020 silver proof. Yep, so this is my order from the US Mint. It's going to go into my collection. And I consider this not only silver, but a form of art. Yeah, it's just a little hobby of mine. Look at that. Look how that shines. Beautiful.